So open up the Unity Hub, and let's click on New, and we're gonna do a 2D game, the last 2D game. So we click on 2D, and let's call this platformer. Or platform, 2D platformer. That's fine.
Wait, what? Platform?
Yeah, just platform, and just create a new project, and then you should start seeing this loading.
How to spell?
Hmm?
How to spell the platform?
You just sound it out. That's a minute. Platform, like that.
Okay. Wait, I need help.
Okay, what do you need help in? What's up? What do you need help in?
Wait.
Okay.
That's a invalid license.
Oh, I told you if you wanna, okay, you wanna share your screen again?
Okay. I can't.
You share? Oh. Okay, can you close it? Close that, press X. Click on the little, click on your name again. And then can you click the second option, manage licenses? And then there, just click on activate new license, the first one, the first button. Okay, click on that. Yeah, second button. No. First button, and then second, that button.
Okay.
What does that say?
That's your license is.
What
Wait,
about that? What does that say?
that is uh like invalid license.
Not a license. Okay. What account are you signing into? Is it your school account?
No, Google
Okay.
account.
Okay, because it's not letting you activate. Can you click on that? The second button, the second blue button. Actually, you know what? Can you restart Unity Hub? Just restart Unity Hub. Close it. Yeah. There's a small arrow to the bottom right. See the small arrow, bottom right? Bottom right. Yeah. Right click on Unity Hub and then close it. No. You have to close it. Close it. Click on the little arrow again. Yeah. Right click and quit. No. Don't double click it. Right click. Right click. Yo, right click.
Oh,
Quit. Yeah. Okay. Now open it up. Okay, try it again. Click the second. Yeah. Yeah, your Unity's whack, man. It's not working. Try the second option. Yeah, click that. Save it on your desktop. Okay, now go to that website. No. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, click browse or sign in with your Google. All right, browse. All right, go to desktop.
This.
Yeah. Okay, next. Personal. Second option. 0. No. Yeah, I don't. Okay, download. Okay, now go to Unity. Okay, next. Browse. Click the three dots. Click the three dots. Go to your downloads. The first one. Yeah, and then next. Is it activated?
No. That is.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with your Unity, dude. Can you close it and just open up the black one instead?
Okay. What the heck?
Try it again. Try new. Blue button. Yeah.
No.
No. Yeah. I'm sorry, man. I don't know what's going on. Try one more time with the activation, the thing, and if not, then I don't think you can do Unity because you have to see what's going on with your computer.
I don't know.
Exit. Press X on your window. Yeah. Click on your name again. Your profile name. Second option. And yeah, the first one. And then the first one.
No.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I don't know what's going on with your Unity.
Oh,
Yeah. Try.
no.
I'm sorry.
Never mind.
Yeah. Try reinstalling Unity, like uninstall it and reinstall it. I'm just gonna move on right now, and then you can just look at the video later, so you can just follow along.
Okay.
Okay. All right, let's get started. Okay, so you have Unity open. So once Unity is open, let me put on the chat the link to my to the folder so you can download the stuff. I have new things in that folder, so make sure you download. I have backgrounds and new stuff, so we can make our scene a little better. So let me post this on the chat. And just like you did yesterday, just download everything, unzip it, and then put it into the into the into the Unity folder. Okay, and then you should have a background folder, tile maps, and then character controller, platform, and player movements. Okay, so all you're doing is just again just dragging and dropping. Okay, and now if you open one of them, the cool thing is now I have them all sliced, so you don't have to re-slice them. So you can just click on the grass, or not grass, but whatever one you want. You just click on it, and then you can just click on whichever one, and now you have all of them sliced. So you don't have to go to the settings and slice them. Um, yeah. Okay. So just pick the one you want. Again, all we're gonna do is exactly what we did yesterday. We're just gonna quickly build a 2D platform, just a very quick thing. I think this one will work. Let me double check something. See if I can. So here we're gonna create a tile map, and this tile map. So we're gonna go to Window, 2D, go to Sprite, tile palette. I'll click and drag this to the left. Create a new palette, call it ground. And make a new folder called tiles and put it in there. Okay, and then let me see if this works on the grass, because I made something different for the grass. Okay, no, it doesn't work. Okay, we can get this to work later. Just gonna delete this. Yeah. So actually, the thing doesn't work because we have to install different library. So we just have to do it manually. So just like we did last time, we have to just drag each one independently. What you can do is instead of dragging all of them in, you can drag each one by one. So something like this. So when you have the tile ready, just open this up and just find the part and just put it in the correct place, and then it should work. It should work better. So, like for example, like the corner, just put in a corner piece, um, and then the side piece. They're basically just making a small square. Um, so you can just quickly grab that tile. So you don't have to search through the whole tile map. Yeah, something like this. Oh.
Teacher, what I can do now?
Did you re-download it?
Let me see. I need download again.
Yeah, just uninstall it and try to re-download it.
Fernando, how do I get the sheet to go into the window again?
Um, so just make sure you make a new tile palette. So you have this window open, tile palette. Nice. Yeah.
Disconnected that.
Yeah. So make sure you have this window called tile palette open. So to open it, just click on Windows, 2D, and then tile palette. And then all you do is, if you want to drag all of them in, just click and drag your whole sheet inside. If you want to do each one individually, how I'm doing it, all you have to do is just click one by one, and it should work.
Okay. So I have to slice it, right?
No, no, you don't have to slice it anymore. Everything should be sliced already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because I fixed everything yeah, yesterday.
Okay.
So you could just click and drag stuff in.
Wait, so I have to click on the sheet, right?
Yeah, just click on the little arrow and it'll expand. Just like I am doing, just click on the little arrow and it expands.
I do not have an arrow. Oh, there's no arrow for sand, I think. Yeah.
There's no arrow? Let's
Yeah.
see. Oh, there's an arrow for me.
Oh. I don't know. Mine doesn't have one. I don't know.
Yours doesn't have it?
Nope.
Oh, that's weird. Let me can you share your screen then? Let me
Yeah.
see if the
Oh, I think I know why it's wrong. It's because I'm using the same folder as yesterday.
Oh, you
That's why
you didn't download the new stuff?
No.
Okay, yeah,
I
the new stuff,
didn't.
everything is sliced. If you want to reslice it yourself, that's fine. You can just click multiple and then 70 by 70 and you can slice it yourself.
Yeah, okay.
ಕಾಫಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಕಾಫಿ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಮಳೆಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಬೋಂಡ
Are you able to slice it?
No, teacher.
Yeah.
I can't.
What's that?
I download again, but it's it's like it's like invalid license again.
It still says invalid license.
Yeah.
Try. Do you have another account that you can sign in?
Let me see.
Fernando, mine, whenever I drag in the tiles, it keeps making. It's not letting me drag it.
It's not letting you drag the tiles.
No.
Okay, let me double. Can you share your screen so I can see?
Okay, it should be sure.
Okay. Let me see.
Let me see. I got another account.
It keeps doing that.
Yeah, that's fine. Just click save.
I know it's not letting me.
You're not able to press save.
No, I click save and then nothing happens.
Huh. Um. Oh, okay. Press cancel. Yeah. The reason why it's not letting you save because you have some errors with the program. Can you? I can't see this thing. Yeah. So I think you have the same problem as last time. I think you copied this and it has a parentheses. Can you rename it?
Oh, should I go into files?
Yeah. Where do you have your stuff? No. That's part of the downloads. No. On your character controller, the character controller that's in your scene. Uh,
When was this? This
Wait,
is
what?
today. Wait. Let me go. Hey, I have no idea. Let me check where I have it in this. I have it here.
Oh yeah. So just delete the stuff that's inside the folder because you have two of them. You just need one. I think you accidentally dragged one or copied one. Yeah, delete that one. Yeah, you don't need it. Okay, now I should
Just
be able to
watch.
work.
Um,
That you're doing sand.
yeah, I don't know. I just chose a random one. Wait, why is everything in dirt?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
I think you messed up the folders.
Yes, I did. Okay.
No, I can't.
It still doesn't work.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry, buddy. Then either try another account or
Yeah, I
that's
try another account.
yeah. I don't know what to do, buddy. I've never had that kind of problem with just the license. The license should be very easy to install. Um, um, yeah, I don't know. Sorry.
Okay.
Were you able to fix it?
I'm trying.
Or are you still fixing it?
No, it's still not working. You need to save the file inside of the project's assets folder.
Yeah, you can't just save it in your desktop. It has to be inside.
Okay, I have no idea. No, because it's in. Wait, am I still sharing my screen?
Yeah, you're still sharing your screen. I can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, just okay. Just click and drag your stuff. No, no, that's okay. Yeah. Click and drag
Like,
your sand. Yeah, just and then just click save. Just click save.
no,
Fine.
no.
Oh, wow, you guys are having computer problems today.
Yeah.
Um, dang, you guys are running into problems. I don't know. Uh, sand half. Did you come? Okay. Press cancel. Do you have the stuff downloaded from the website or from the
Yeah.
drive? Okay.
Yeah.
Delete everything from new folder. Yeah,
Did
just
anybody
delete everything.
like? Oh, okay, cool. So everything's no. Where is it? Yeah,
Where's the
everything's
thing?
unzipped here.
Okay. Um. Okay. Now go to Unity. Go to Unity. Okay. Right click on the gray area, and then click on Show in Explorer. Double click on Assets. Make a new folder.
Oh, this has the double stuff in
Yeah.
it.
Don't worry about that. The meta files are okay. And then call it tile maps. Just open that up. Okay, and then click and drag the stuff from the downloads. Into tile maps. Where'd you put it? Just put them side by side so you can just drag it to the other window.
Yeah. I don't know why I have so many windows. This is okay.
Okay,
Okay.
perfect. Okay, now go back to Unity.
I can't drag it from here.
No, just go to Unity. It's already in Unity when you refresh. Yeah,
Oh.
yeah. Okay, so now open up one of them. Okay, and just create a new palette. Okay, now click and drag. Save.
No.
Okay, cancel. And then just reset your layout. So click on the top right layout. Yeah, and then click default.
What the? Okay.
Okay, try it again. Go click on window. Yeah.
What?
It's already a palette. Okay, created a different palette. The palette's still there. Okay.
Oh, okay. No.
Restart your Unity.
Like, should I just close this whole thing?
Yeah, just close the whole thing. Restart Unity.
How do you restart a certain?
On the bottom right, there's a small arrow. No. Bottom right of your computer. See the little arrow pointing?
Oh. Oh, this thing.
And then right click on Unity. And then quit Unity. And make sure you close Visual Studio. Okay, and then open up Unity again. Let's see.
It's the. Yeah. There we go. No, still not working.
So not working. I have no idea now. I'm sorry. Um, yeah, the other option would be just completely restarting your computer.
Okay, I'll try that, I guess.
I'll be here.
Yeah, it's still not working.
Still not working?
No.
I think I know what the problem is. Let me see your screen. Okay, try it again. Um, can you click on the save as type? The down here, or it says asset, all files.
No.
Okay, press cancel.
Oh shit.
Yeah, press cancel. Okay, can you do me a favor? Can you click on your Windows? On the Windows icon on the bottom left.
Oh.
Windows icon, bottom left. Yeah. Type in extension. Yeah, that one. Scroll down. Where is it? Yeah, change settings to show file extension. Or can you click on show settings?
Oh.
Okay. So click on show the little bubble. Show extension. Show hidden files and folders, and then wait. Hold on. Go back. Go back. And then click on hide extension for known types. Yeah. Okay. Now press apply. And then okay. Okay. So can you back to Unity? Okay. Now do that again. Yeah. So now erase the .png. Yeah. For some reason, it has a .png at the back. In the back.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. I guess when I sliced it, I renamed everything to .png. Because I was using a script, so maybe that's why it's and then yours was hiding the extension file, the extension of the file. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
I
so
have to
it's
do-
weird like that.
why
Yeah,
did I
sorry
not
about
copy?
that. I'm sorry.
No, never mind. But it's
Okay.
saving them all as new now. Like new.
That's fine. That's fine. Just save it as new because now you're putting them in the correct place. It's easier for you. So wherever you
Yeah.
save it, that's fine.
So I have to switch the PNG thing every single time.
Yeah, just delete the PNG stuff. Yeah. I suggest you doing the little square thing like I did on mine. So if you take a look at my screen,
Yeah.
yeah, if you take a look at my screen, you see how I have like a square. So I have all the little parts in the correct place. I even have the
Yeah.
slopes, and then I have the little these parts. This part, this middle part has to be repeated. It's the same part as this one. You can just rename it. When you name it, it's gonna tell you, do you want to rename it? And if you don't, it's gonna turn pink and it's gonna turn invalid. But if you do, just put like an _2 or _3 as a copy.
Okay, so I've done that. Okay. I think I'm good for now. I'll just wait for the other stuff when I need them.
Okay, and just build a very simple scene. If you took a like my, if you took a like, if bleh, if you look at my screen, I have a very simple map, just very basic. Just to run around. We have this, and I'm working. I put a background, so if you want to put a background, easiest thing you can do. I have a background folder. You can choose whichever background you want. Just click and drag it out. Once you click and drag it out, so make sure you have you press the W key. So you drag it out like that. You want to resize it, just press R to resize, and just make it big. Okay. Once you have it, then you can press Control D to duplicate, and then you want to line it up perfectly like this. The way to do it perfectly is you hold V, and then there's a little, it snaps to the edges. You just click on the edge and then snap it to the other edge, and it's perfectly aligned.
Okay. What was I gonna ask? Oh yeah, I have to download the other stuff now because I wanted to get the time lapse. I have to get
Okay.
the character stuff. Can I upload that from files or?
Oh, you didn't download the backgrounds?
Yeah, and the files and stuff. No, I have it downloaded. I just haven't added it to the Unity thing.
Ah, okay. Where is it downloaded?
It should be here somewhere in Explorer. I don't know. I think I might just download it again.
Okay, you want me to give the link again?
Yes, please.
I put the link.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now I have to make the scene, right?
Yeah. Did you drag and drop it into? Okay, just open up the scene. Wait. Oh yeah. So just double click on backgrounds. Yeah, and then you can just choose whatever background you want. I suggest you something with just the sky, just like a blue background. because you
Oh, okay,
are
yeah.
building you're building the whole map, so it doesn't make sense having like double floors. Just
No, I
click and
get
drag. Yeah, just click and drag it out there. Make it bigger. Press R. Yeah, and just no. Undo.
Oh,
Press the white one, the white box. Bigger. Something like that. Yeah, that's fine. No, too much. Yeah, it's something like that. Okay. Now scroll out. No. Scroll out.
oh, scroll out.
Press Control D. Duplicate. Control D. Now press W to move. No. W. And then move it. Okay. Now hold on. Just leave it there, and now hold V.
V.
V. The key. V. You see how it snaps? So just click and snap it. There you go. Now they're both perfectly aligned. Yep. And then you do that, maybe 2 more times to make the scene a little bigger. And then from there, you start building your map with the sand blocks.
It's not letting me paint for some reason.
It's not that you paint your Unity window. You mean?
No, I mean like I can't bring the tiles.
Yeah, because you don't have a tile map. On the left-hand side,
Oh, I have to make. Okay,
yeah, the 2D objects, and make a tile map. And then on that grid, you can start making your.
Focus on which one?
No, don't put a focus on. No, don't put a focus on.
Okay,
So
now.
now you have the thing selected. Now you can start drawing your
Okay.
tile map. I thought you were doing dirt.
Yeah, I'm just looking.
Oh.
I have sand right now. Oh, why does it look like this?
Wait, what happened? Oh, can you go back to sand? The folder sand. Yeah, click on the sheet. Yeah, go to inspector. Maybe they didn't change the properties. Can you change it to 70? No. Instead of 100, put 70. Yeah, press apply. Okay, now click and drag. Yeah, so now it should be there. Yeah, perfect. Okay.
Okay, I think I'm ready. I think I'm okay with this.
All right. So what I did is, if you can see my screen, I went a little bit farther. I added the front, or what's it called? The full. Is it backward? This is the front. Geez, I forgot the name of it. Um, Foreground, not foreground. Foreground. So I added a foreground, and then basically all I did is just pick some small parts of the other stuff that I have here. It's called elements. And inside elements, I already sliced them, and then I just grabbed the correct part and just put them in here, and I started just sprinkling them around. So I did that, and just added a background, and I also added the player. So exactly what we did last time with the player controller, rigid body, and everything. So now I'm able to jump. I added gravity, and I added more force to jumping, so now it looks a little bit cleaner when you jump and you fall. So it's kind of like emulating what Mario is, how
Yeah.
Mario works. So that's good. So that's where I am.
Okay, so I'll make a player then.
Yeah.
Could you use like a person instead of a square?
You can. Do you have a person?
No, I was just curious.
Yeah, you can. That was gonna be my the other class I was gonna do sprite sheet animations, but it looks like you guys are interested more in 3D, so I'm moving on to 3D next week.
Oh,
But
okay.
yeah, you can. You can do 2D stuff, and then you can even make your own animations if you want.
Hmm. Are there like people sprites in this already or no?
There is one. Not right now. You have to download it, but then it's already rigged up for you. It's called what is it called? What is the original sprite? Let me double check. What is it called? Sprite fun. What is it called? Oh, this one. Oh, I don't know how I forgot the name. It's called standard assets. Yeah, this standard assets it brings in a lot of cool stuff that we're gonna use it in 3D because it has a controller. But this one also has 2D stuff, and the 2D stuff is really useful. Like it has a character done for you. You can just click and drag it, and it works off the off this. Yeah. Anyways, standard assets. Let me know when you're ready to move on.
Yeah. Um, Fernando.
Yo.
I just tried. I'm. I got bored, so I tried using a hexagon, and
Okay.
then so it keeps falling through everything. So what do I do for that again?
Make sure you have on the settings for player. You have right here air control is checked. What is
Yeah.
ground everything, and then you have a bottom and seating check and a ground check.
Yeah, I have those, but it still keeps falling.
Do you have your screen share?
I don't think so.
Let's see. Okay. And it just falls down. Oh, and your tile map does. I don't think your tile map has a collider. So stop playing.
Oh.
So click on your tile map and add a tile map collider. Tile map collider 2D. And try it.
What?
Okay. Let's see. Go back to your player. Well, you have a rigid body, but you don't have a collider. So you need a block collider, or in this case, polygon collider, because you're a hexagon, or yeah, polygon collider. Yeah.
Okay.
Press play. Now you should be able to collide with the ground. Yeah.
Oh,
Nice.
This actually looks kind of cool, though.
It's gonna get you dizzy and nauseous.
Okay, so that is because of
The rigid body. Yeah. Click on constraints. Yeah, and then the Z. Yeah. That should fix that problem.
Oh, what?
What? Why are you still rotating?
I pressed A, but then it does that.
You press A and that happens?
Yeah, when I go
What?
backwards.
My character be trippy.
Yeah, whenever I do A, it just turns.
That's weird though. You have your rotation locked. I shouldn't even rotate.
I don't know. I don't know if it's. I don't know.
Maybe I don't know. I have to check that out. That's why you use a box.
Oh, I can't make that. Oops.
There you go.
Okay, so the A thing. I don't know what that is.
Which one?
The A.
The A. Like I said, I don't know about that. I don't know where the physics is messing up with that. So I have to check where that's messing up.
Yeah. No, one other thing. How do you increase gravity again?
We're on the rigid body. Just click on gravity, and just make it higher. The settings I like is 3, and then you need to make your run speed faster. So 60 is fine. And your jump force bigger. So instead of 400, put like 800, and that should give you like more of a Mario feel. Like it goes down faster. Yeah. You might want to make your speed a little bit faster.
Yeah. Why doesn't it just move? Yeah, this feels like Mario. Oh. Like, you know how yesterday you showed us the slippery thing?
Yeah.
Can you make that like less?
Less slippery. Yeah. So you create more friction.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So to create that on the gray area, just right click. On the gray area. No, down here at the bottom. Yeah. Create, and you're looking for physics material 2D. And then just call it less slippery or non-slippery or something.
Yeah. Because I just want to apply it to like a couple of squares. Is that
Oh, a couple of squares. Oh,
like this ramp here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
yeah.
6.
If you're gonna do that, then you have to have each thing in a separate layer. But for now, everything is technically shouldn't have friction. So let's just go to the inspector. Click on the inspector. And in friction, just put like 3. Yeah. And then let's click on the tile map. Yeah, and then scroll down on the collider. Yeah, so it says right there material. This is no physics material, so just click and drag less slippery. There, So now it should create more friction. But then it doesn't allow it to slip. So press play and then check it.
I
I'm
can't
sorry?
do it for like specific.
You like I said, you can, but you have to create different tile maps. So you see how you have one tile map,
Yeah.
but you have to create multiple tile maps in order for it to not to have different objects.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, see how it doesn't slip now?
Mm-hmm. Why does it keep getting stuck?
What do you mean stuck?
He's getting stuck on the ramp.
Oh yeah, because you just put no slipperiness.
Oh, so it won't even move up it now?
Oh, it won't go up?
I mean, like, yeah, it won't. I can't go up it.
Yeah, you have to put a circle collider on the bottom, just like we did last time.
Oh.
Yeah. So that's the only setting that I know that allows going up ramps smoothly, and then still having collisions on top with the square collider. Yeah, just change the add a circle collider to your hexagon.
Oh, over here. Okay, my bad.
Yeah. And then edit your collider.
Where's the circle?
Actually, you know what? Just keep it as a circle. Remove the polygon collider. Just keep it as a circle. Yeah, just remove it. Because now you have rounded edges, and I think that's a little better.
Yeah, let me try it.
Try it. You are going to be on the, a little bit higher. Yeah, you're not going to be exactly on the floor, but you can change the size of the circle.
No,
can you go up or no?
No.
You still can't go up?
No.
Remove the slippery stuff. No, the slippery stuff. Go back to your tile map and just delete it. Just press delete.
Oh.
None, I guess. Click on none. Yeah. Maybe we added too much friction. I guess it is the friction then.
Yeah.
Yeah, with too much friction, it doesn't allow you to go up.
Why can't I jump up this?
Remember we were talking about that. Is your edge, your collider, your ground collider is not really touching the floor anymore.
I know, but I can't jump off. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's that's what I said.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so we need. I need to fix the character controller to detect all the collisions on either on the edge or in the middle. Because right now it's only detecting in the middle.
Yeah. Okay. And the A thing.
Still hilarious. I have no idea why yours is doing that.
Oh my god.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
You just have to fix your level. That's good. All right, and then the last thing we want to do is platforms. So just like we did last time with our platforms, do you remember how we did our platforms?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's very simple. Now this time, all we need to do is, because since we have everything done, You can make so if you take a look at my screen. So let's just say I want to have. Let's see. Let's just say I want to have these things. Oh no, I can't drag it out. This one here, this one here, and where's this one here? Just a small platform like this. And again, to snap, all you do is hit V, and you snap these things. And then this becomes, let's just say this is your platform. You want to create a parent for this because this is one thing. And then here, oops, I didn't center it. Let me center it. It's 20, so here. Center this at 0, 0.
Wait, the game object is the empty, right? That's.
I'm sorry?
Wait, what's so?
Game object is just the art. Well,
Oh, okay.
yeah, it's no, actually I lied. It's not the art. It's the platform. It's the platform that moves.
Okay.
And this one's gonna have a box collider 2D. See how it only creates one little box. So let's edit this collider. It's gonna go from here. Yeah. Okay. And then we create point A and point B, right? So we create another empty, and this is going
Wait,
to
so
be
in this one, the empties are the parent, right?
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Here, this platform parent is the parent of the platform, and then here we create two more empties, and these empties going to be point A and point B, right? Just like we did last time, and then we put them, where we want them. So let's put this here, and put this one. Oops. That. And I have my platform, and I have my I already have my script, so I can just drag and drop my platform move script. And all we need is point A. Just drag and drop point A, drag and drop point B. Oh, and also we also need a box collider. So here we have a normal box collider, and we also need another box collider, but this one is going to be 3. The Y is going to be a little bit higher because remember this is going to be a trigger. So when the player jumps in, it becomes a parent. So now I can let me put this here like this. So maybe something like this instead. Okay. Now I press play, and now my platform is moving. Point. Oh, I think it's. Oh, you see how my point A and point B are not. They're not on the correct z-axis. Yeah, they're too close to my camera, so I'm gonna put this to -10. Actually, my whole platform parent has to be at -10. Right. No, everything's at 0. Sorry, be at 0, not -10. And these ones have to be at 0 also. There you go.
Hi, Fernando. It's time.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Just last thing. What did I change? Oh, did we not create the? This is just the moving. I think we didn't create the Ontriggerenter. I thought we made that
For
the platform. Maybe this is an
remember.
older version. Well, anyways, here let me just quickly do this. So void on trigger enter 2D. Collision dot game object dot transform dot set parent game object.
properties.
transform.
Ah,
And then the same thing here.
books
Except
waste ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪಳ ಕುದಿತೀನಿ ಈಗ.
it's gonna be exit. And this one's gonna be null. Yeah, I thought we made this already.
I can check my old one.
Wow.
Yeah, I think we did make it. I think I just saved the old a version that didn't have it.
Yeah.
No. Yeah, so now I'm able to be on the platform. Yeah.
Okay,
So you can now expand your game like that, where you can now have platforms. You can now have a bunch of cool stuff.
Okay, so how do I make the platform into a game object?
All you do, the one thing you have to do is not drag the tiles. So that's what you have to be careful with. So on your tile maps, just select the one you want to grab. For example, I grabbed grass, and make sure you select the ones that are on the arrow. So you see how I press the arrow and it
Yeah.
extends it. These ones you can grab. So you can grab like one, and then this becomes its own object. You see how it has a transform and a sprite renderer. So that's what
Yeah.
we want. Once you have that, once you have the group of things you want, make an empty game object and then stuff everything inside, just like I did here. See how I have my three things here? I just click and drag all those things into one parent, and that parent is now my platform. And then that parent, of course, needs a parent for point A and point B. And you
Okay,
just
it's
add
okay
your
if
player
it says
movement.
PNG, right?
Yeah, it's okay if it's PNG.
Okay. So I'll make that really quick. So you can't drop it in from the tile map?
No. You just have to click and drag the ones you want.
Oh, that's why
And
you
then
have
remember,
to like
yeah.
snap them together?
Yeah, and then you have to hold V to snap them together. Make sure you press W. You're on the wrong. Yeah. Now hold V. Yeah. Now you can snap to things. There you go. Okay.
So, and then I have to...
Make a parent. No. Undo. Make a parent. So right click. Okay. Right click on the gray area. Yeah. Create empty. Yeah. Okay. You might want to center everything because that's not centered. So move that like in the center of your middle square.
Wait, what?
Click on the blue. Yeah, and then center it in the middle. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, that's your pivot point. Okay. Now click and drag your three objects and put them inside. No. Undo. Okay. Now click and drag those three objects inside game object. Yeah. Select the other two. Okay. Perfect. So. Yeah. Okay. And now your game object, rename it as platform, and add a box collider. 2D. And then reshape it. So on the size, change it from 1, make it 3 on the X. No. Okay, cool. Yeah, you can do that. Okay. And then add another box collider, and this has to be your trigger one. Yeah. So uncheck the other one, the edit collider, because you're editing both colliders. Okay, and then make it a little bit big, taller. Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Wait, what is this for again?
This is your trigger. Remember, whenever it detects the player go
yeah.
inside this thing, it makes a parent.
Okay, then
So something like that. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Oh. That's good.
Okay,
all right.
And then.
And then on your player, make sure you call him player. So player, and then your tag. Make sure you have him tagged as player.
What?
Your tag. It says right there, tag. Scroll up below the name. On the properties, yeah. And then tag him as player. Yeah. Okay. So now make another parent, and then drag your platform into that. Yeah. Drag your platform into him. Yeah. Into the parent. Yeah. Okay. And then right click on the parent and then make two objects. Create empty. And do it again. And call one point A, the other one point B.
But why do you have to make another parent? For the
Because this one, if you want to make multiple platforms, then you can just control copy, and then you can just put them anywhere.
Oh, okay. So now I have to.
Yeah, and then on just make sure you put them in the correct place where you want your things to travel. Okay, and then click on your platform and make sure the script platform, the platform move is in there. Oh,
Yeah.
you have to rename
I've
it.
been doing this the whole time.
No space. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Okay, and now click and drag point A, point B. Perfect. And that is it. Oh, and then the last thing you need to do is edit the script so the player can become the parent, or the script, the player can become one with the parent. Yeah. So scroll down after line 38. Yeah, press enter, and then void space on space
Void space
on trigger. Wait, why don't you have this as autocomplete? Oh my god, it's gonna take forever now. Here, I'll paste it on the chat. You can just copy and paste it in the chat. I pasted it on the chat already. Copy and go back, and then erase void and just paste it there. Yeah. Good. Did you save it? Okay. Now move your game object. That game. Make sure to rename it. Call it like platform parent. And then move it near your player so you can just test it out, just for now.
Okay. Wait, so if I click this, everything should move then, right?
Yeah. Just use the blue square. You see how there's a blue square? Yeah.
Oh, you can move it diagonally.
Yeah. Oh, also make sure everything's at the zero. Remember the problem I just had. So on your Z position, make sure everything says 0. No, not scale. The position.
This is 0, right?
0, yeah. Just highlight everything and just put 0. Yeah.
Okay.
The platform. Click on the platform. Yeah, it has to be 0 also. And then the platform parent, 0. Yeah. Okay. And now you see how some of them are a little. The last part is weird.
Oh, where did it go?
I think 15. Click on 15. Yeah. It's the order and layer. Click on order and layer. Yeah, right there. Right there. Yeah. Just instead of 0, put a 1. And it should. Yeah. Okay. And then do the same thing for 14 and 3. The other 2 slices.
Wait, what does this do?
This is order and layer. Basically, how Unity renders the thing. Anything that's negative gets rendered first, and then from there it slowly renders anything on top. So since you put this on 1, it's going to be on layer 1, which is closer to you. So so that means it's not blocked by another object. Okay. Now press play and just test it out. See if it works. Good luck.
Oh, I need to add the glass collider.
Did you not put a box lighter? I remember you put a box lighter, no?
Oh, I
Oh,
had to
you
switch this
disabled
one
it.
on. Yeah.
Haha. All right.
Oh my.
Were you able to get it? I was being.
No, it's the A thing. I can't even jump. What the heck? Can jump. Wait. I can't jump when I'm sideways.
You can't jump. Well,
Let me just put it to the right then. This is weird.
yeah, so you don't fall. There you go.
Wait, so when I make like what the trigger thing, that just makes the what does that do? I forgot.
The trigger is imagine it's kind of like a sensor, like a laser tripwire. That it's not going to block you. It only detects when you're in the vicinity. So you've entered a
I
certain
know, but then
location.
why does like the player have to become the parent?
Because since you're not how the rigid body is moving, or how the platform is moving, it's not moving by force. It's moving by transforms. So what your character is? Your character is moving by transform and physics. Remember, a combination of both. So that's why whenever it moves, it needs to have it needs to parent the player, so the player is able just to absorb whatever movement you have on the platform.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's the same. It's the same thing when you create games with like stuff you hold. For example, in 3D games, like when you hold a gun or when you hold like a staff,
Yeah.
like those kind of things. Like it has to follow a parent. If it follows the parent, then whatever you do with your hands, it follows it with it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's good. You're getting the hang of this.
Yeah, it's kind of getting easier.
All right. All right then, Prashar. That's
Okay.
it for today.
Thank you.
Yeah, and then from here, like I said, you can just build a big
Yeah.
map, and you can just walk around. The only thing I have to look into is how yours is rotating with a hexagon. I have to double check what's going on. Try changing it to a square
Yeah,
and
I'll
see
try
if
it really
if
quick.
that helps. If it doesn't, then I'll look into that. Because I thought it was the polygon collider that was doing that stuff. But if it's
Because yesterday after the class ended, I tried to like change some stuff. I don't know. I tried some more stuff, and then I don't know if I changed something too much, but then it stopped working. Like it started to do the aid thing, I think. I
okay,
don't know if that would affect this one, but I don't know.
just click on inspector. Yeah.
And then what else do I need? I
2D,
need
rigid body 2D.
yeah. That's it, right?
And then your script.
Yeah.
And then you need to put your ceiling and ground. Press W. Yeah. Nice. Whenever you name it, you have to press enter in order for it
Yeah.
to accept the new name.
And then
And then check air control and everything. Yeah. Press play.
is that it?
Yeah, just press play. I just want to see what's going on.
Oh, I have to change the camera.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Just press play.
Wait, I'm gonna change that really quick.
Oh,
Can you like cut something in this?
what do you mean?
Like you can cut it, like take it out, but it still copies it, and then you can paste it later.
Oh, you mean just like hide it for a bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, just click on your player. Yeah. On the top left, just uncheck it. No.
Oh,
On the
this
top
thing?
left, no. On the top left, you see there it says inspector and player.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, just uncheck it. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's easier. When I press A,
Oh, I think I know your problem. It's your camera. Stop playing. Okay, click on your camera, on your main camera. Make it 0, 0 on your position. Yeah. Yeah, and then press play.
wait, what does that do? And now it works
There you
fine.
go. Okay, I know the problem. The problem is this my script. When you go left and right, what happens is it flips the whole object. So that's exactly what's going on with your hexagon. Click on your hexagon, your player, and take a look at this rotation. You see how it has a weird rotation? It has 29.764.
Oh yeah, I did that. So then, like the ground, I mean, like it would
The
be
flat. Well, yeah,
Yeah.
that's the problem because then it flips. That's why the whole object like tilts down.
Oh,
Yeah, that's the problem.
okay.
I mean, the way to fix that is just making a okay. So the way to fix that is remove the sprite render. So click on the triple dots. Or yeah, the triple dots. Just remove. Yeah, and then make the Z 0, the rotation.
Oh,
Yeah, 0. Okay, now right click on player and then make a new object. Right click, create a empty, and then add component. Sprite render. Type in sprite render. Renderer. Yeah. Okay, and then click the little circle, little target on the sprite. Or you know what? Just click and drag your hexagon from the bottom. On the bottom, you see the hexagon on the bottom on your project folder.
oh yeah.
Yeah, click and drag it into the sprite render where it says none sprite. That's the first option, none sprite. Yeah. Okay. And then now this one you can rotate. So click on the Z, and you can change its color too.
Okay, wait.
Yeah.
Now I have to move my ground and ceiling. Right?
No, you don't.
Oh,
Oh yeah, you do. Sorry, what I'm
okay.
talking
Wait.
about.
So
Click on a color and just change the color. Yeah. And now you can change the ceiling and your ground. Press W. No. Click on the blue button. Okay. Blue square. Yeah. There you go. Now it should work. Now press play. Now you won't have that. Oh, actually, hold on. Or make sure your camera's at 0 also.
yeah.
Else
Okay.
you might have a weird, 0 and then 0, 0. And then your rotation should be at 0. No, your Z is -10. Your Z has to be a -10.
Wait, why?
Yeah. Because imagine you playing the game, you're always behind the objects. You're not in front of them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So then your Z rotation, make it 0.
G rotation.
The rotation. Yeah. Yeah. Now press play. Now it should work.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
works good.
There you go. So now notice how you're technically playing as a circle, but you have a sprite as a
Yeah.
hexagon. So
Wait,
that's the trick I'm talking about. Like where the games,
Yeah. Okay.
you think you're playing as this, but you're actually just something else.
Wait, so like with what we just did to like make everything weird, so the sprite render object, that's a trick.
Yeah, sprite render is just a sprite. It's just a picture you're seeing. It's not it's not
Okay.
the thing that's playing physics. The thing that's playing physics is the circle collider. That's
So
the
why
one
didn't
that's
it
doing all
work
the
in the
calculation.
actual player here?
Yeah, the actual player. So the actual player, yeah, that's the actual player. On the game object you created, the one that has just a sprite render, that's just the face. So you can put whatever you want. You can put like a picture of a coconut and you'll play as a
Oh, okay.
coconut, but it's not, you're basically the same thing.
Wait, so I could put like a picture of a person right now if I wanted, right?
Yeah, you can put like if you have a picture of yourself, the head, you can put it there and it works.
Oh, okay. That's okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, as long as it's a sprite. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, like, if I wanted to make it a sprite, I have to download it and do stuff. Or?
No. Let's just say, okay. So here, go to Paint. Go to Windows, top bottom left, the Windows logo.
Oh.
A Windows logo, and just type in Paint. Yeah, Paint. And just draw a smiley face. Oh, perfect. Okay, file, save it. Yeah. Now the thing about Paint is it doesn't save it as a PNG, so you just it does, but it keeps the background that's weird. So just click save.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. Just click save. So you're still gonna be a weird square, but you're gonna have that's the thing. Now grab it from your desktop and put it into Unity.
Where did it go?
The Untitled PNG. It's right there. It's right there. It's called Untitled PNG. It's a white box that's there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Click and drag it into Unity. Yeah, put it there. And now click on that. No, click on that. You have to first make sure it's a 2D. It's a sprite. Yeah, it's a sprite. It says Sprite 2D, so that's good.
Yeah. Okay.
So click on Game Object. Okay, click and drag that into the hexagon, and then you have your face there, but you can't really see it.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. It's okay. It's just
Okay.
Okay. So I'll try and do something, I guess.
Yeah. All right then.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Parashar. All right. We'll see you next time.
Yeah.
All right. Take care. Bye.
All right, everybody.
All right, Kumar. We'll see you
Okay.
later too.
Wow. You guys had fun. Most like,
Just in the beginning, we were trying to fix
yeah, I see it.
this
Yeah.
computer. That's
Okay.
why I worked a little bit more. All right. Thank you, Kumar.
Okay. Take care.
Bye.